The city of Chicago has issued a civilized emergency message for the entire city until further notice. At 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, 5 dangerous criminals are on the loose, breaking into homes and killing at least 500 people. The criminals are known as Daniel Krutz, Larian Martinez, Yuki Kwong, Logan Jussie, and Huat. These criminals are known to kill people and strangle children in homes. People have to be very cautious and to stay indoors and lock all doors and windows and keep children inside. If you see any of those suspects, make sure to dial and call 911 immediately. Make sure to have a radio and a TV to keep updated about these dangerous people. Again, if you see these criminals, make sure to immediately call 911. Stay tuned for the following information on WBCD News.